This is the only video on internet that shows you how to solve this problem without actually losing the quality of your model, so please be sure to leave a like. Assalamualaikum, yo, what's up guys? So you have your badass character ready along with their streak, but when you try to attach them using automatic weights, you get this error right there. Don't worry, today in this video I am going to show you how you can actually solve this problem without losing the quality of your model. So first you have to select the boy, Alt P, and then clear and keep transformation. Now you can hide the armature. Select the boy, add original at the end of the name of this model. Then you have to select the model, Shift D, duplicate. Now replace original by duplicate. Now hide the boy original model or whatever your original model is. Select the boy duplicate model, press tab, or alternatively you can go to edit mode from there. Go to vertex mode. You can press 1, 2, 3 on the keyboard to go, or you can go right from there. Press A to select all the vertices. Go to mesh, clean up, merge by distance. Now what you have to do is that the default value is I think 000.1, but you have to remove all the zeros and 1. You have to add 0.8 maybe. In my cases 8 may work, but in your cases you just have to remove zeros or whatever. You can try this or play with this, okay? You can play with this. Any of the values can work for you. Let's go to object mode again. Now as you can see, our model is distorted. It's completely like unusable. But don't worry, we are not going to use this. Unhide your armature, select the model, duplicate model, select the armature. First you have to select the model, then the armature, Control P, and then with automatic weights. Okay, I get this error again. What I have to do is remove the values again. So you have to select the duplicate. If you are facing this issue again, you have to select the duplicate model. Press tab, A to go, A to select all the vertices, mesh, clean up, merge by distance again, and then in place of 8 you can add maybe 10 or 12 or 13. I will add 13. 13 is not working. 13. You can add 9. Yes, maybe 9 work. So I think it's pretty much distorted and it should be working now. Let's try. Go to edit mode. Select the model, select the armature, Control P with automatic weights. Okay, it works now, but what you have to do is that you cannot use this model, of course. You don't have to use this model anyways. Unhide the original model. Unhide the original model. Then select the original model, then armature, Control P with empty groups. Okay, what you have to do is original model first, not duplicate model. Okay, original model. When you unhide, because duplicate model is what we've worked on now, so what you have to do is select original model, then armature, Control P with empty groups this time, not automatic weights, with empty groups. You have to select the duplicate model first, then the original model. Go to weight paint, weights, and then transfer weights. There you have to vertex mapping, select nearest face interpolated, and then destination source layer selection you have to select by name. It is fine now. You have to go to object mode again, hide the duplicate model, select the armature, go to pose mode. You can go to pose mode by pressing Control Tab, or alternatively you can select pose mode from here. Now as you can see, congratulations, your armature is working now. If you guys do enjoy the video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to receive notifications of my awesome content and more tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.